Everything you've ever wanted could be yours, simply by asking. This isn't wishful thinking or a fantasy, but a powerful principle that can turn your dreams into reality. The things we truly desire aren't out of reach. They're not reserved for the lucky few. The truth is, we all have the power to shape our lives, to attract abundance, to manifest our deepest desires. And the key to unlocking this potential lies in one surprisingly simple act: asking. Today, we're going to look into this idea and explore the incredible power of asking. We'll uncover the science behind it, learn how to ask effectively, and most importantly, discover how to overcome the doubts and fears that hold us back. By the end of this video, you'll have a new understanding of how the universe works and the tools you need to create the life you've always dreamed of. Get ready to tap into your inner power and unleash the limitless possibilities that await you. This is your journey to a more fulfilling, abundant life. Let's begin. Let's take a moment to consider something profound. Our thoughts aren't just fleeting ideas that come and go. They hold a remarkable power, an energy that can shape the world around us. Our minds are like fertile gardens, and the thoughts we cultivate are the seeds that grow into our reality. Every idea, every belief, every desire we harbor within us has the potential to blossom into something tangible. Have you ever noticed how a simple thought can evoke a powerful emotion? Perhaps a fond memory brings a smile to your face, or the thought of a challenge ahead fills you with determination. This isn't mere coincidence. It's a direct reflection of the deep connection between our thoughts and our feelings. Our emotions are the language of our soul, the compass that guides us toward what we truly want. Now, here's where things get truly fascinating. Our emotions don't just exist within us. They radiate outward, interacting with the world in ways we may not even realize. Think of it like a ripple effect in a pond. A single pebble, your thought, creates a wave of energy, your emotion, that travels outward, influencing everything it touches. This ripple effect extends far beyond our immediate surroundings. It reaches into the vast field of possibilities, attracting experiences and circumstances that align with our dominant thoughts and feelings. When we focus our intentions on a specific desire, we create a powerful energetic magnet, drawing that desire into our lives. It's like tuning a radio to a particular frequency. When our thoughts and emotions are aligned with what we want, we tune ourselves to the frequency of that desire, making it more likely to manifest in our reality. This isn't magic. It's a natural law of the universe. Just as a positive thought can generate a feeling of joy, a focused intention can generate the circumstances necessary to fulfill that intention. It's about aligning our inner world with our outer world, creating a harmonious flow of energy that brings our dreams to life. Imagine a life where you're not just a passive observer, but an active creator of your own reality. By understanding the power of your thoughts and emotions, you can tap into a limitless source of potential and manifest a life that's truly extraordinary. This isn't just about getting what you want, it's about becoming who you're meant to be. It's about living a life that's in alignment with your deepest values, your greatest passions, your most authentic self. And the first step on this incredible journey is simply recognizing the power that lies within you. As you begin to explore this concept further, you may find that your perception of reality shifts. You'll start to see the world through a new lens, one that reveals the interconnectedness of all things. You'll realize that you're not just a tiny speck in a vast universe, but an integral part of a grand design. And you'll discover that the power to shape your destiny rests firmly in your hands. Now that we've touched on the science behind asking, let's explore the practical steps to harness its power. The process is beautifully simple, yet profoundly impactful. It starts with getting crystal clear on what you truly want. This isn't about vague wishes or fleeting desires. It's about identifying the core longing of your heart and stating it with unwavering clarity. Once you've defined your desire, the next step is to infuse it with emotion. Feel the excitement, the joy, the gratitude, as if you've already received it. This isn't about pretending or forcing emotions. It's about tapping into the genuine feelings that your desire evokes. Let those emotions fill you up, radiating outward like a beacon of light. The final step is perhaps the most crucial. Believe. Trust with unwavering conviction that your desire is already yours. This isn't about blind faith. It's about knowing that the universe is always working in your favor. It's about surrendering to the flow of life and allowing your desires to manifest in perfect timing. When you truly believe, you open the door for miracles to unfold. These 3 simple steps, clarity, emotion, belief, form the foundation of powerful asking. It's about aligning your head, your heart, and your spirit with your deepest desires. When you do this, you create a magnetic force that draws your dreams into your reality. Now, let's address the roadblocks that might appear on your path. Doubt. That sneaky whisper that questions your worthiness. Impatience. The restless urge to rush the process. Conflicting desires. The tug of war between different aspirations. These obstacles are natural, but they don't have to derail your journey. Doubt can be transformed into a stepping stone. Every time it surfaces, use it as an opportunity to reaffirm your belief in yourself and in the power of asking. Recall that you are worthy of receiving all that you desire. Impatience can be replaced with joyful anticipation. Instead of fixating on the win, focus on the excitement of what's to come. Trust that the universe has a divine timing that surpasses our limited understanding. Conflicting desires can be resolved through introspection. Take a moment to examine the roots of each desire. Which one truly resonates with your heart's deepest longing? By prioritizing alignment, you'll clear the path for your true desires to manifest. Keep in mind that obstacles are merely detours, not dead ends. They present opportunities for growth, resilience, and deeper self-discovery. By facing them with courage and determination, you'll emerge stronger and more empowered than ever before. The power of asking extends far beyond material possessions. It encompasses every facet of your life, your relationships, your health, your career, your spiritual growth. Perhaps you long for deeper connections with loved ones, a renewed sense of vitality, a fulfilling career path, or a profound spiritual awakening. Whatever your heart desires, the principle of asking can pave the way. The key is to approach every desire with the same clarity, emotion, and belief that you would apply to material wants. Clearly define what you want in each area of your life. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already yours. And most importantly, trust that the universe is orchestrating the perfect circumstances for your desires to unfold. By expanding your understanding of asking, you'll unlock a world of limitless possibilities. You'll realize that you're not just a recipient of life's circumstances, but an active participant in creating your own destiny. Gratitude is the secret ingredient that supercharges the manifestation process. It's not just about saying thank you, it's about cultivating a deep sense of appreciation for the blessings in your life. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you shift your energy from scarcity to abundance. Gratitude acts like a magnet, attracting more of what you're thankful for. Think of it this way: gratitude is the fuel that keeps the engine of manifestation running smoothly. It creates a positive feedback loop. where the more you appreciate, the more you receive. By expressing gratitude for the things you desire, as if they're already yours, you send a powerful message to the universe. I'm ready to receive. Make gratitude a daily practice. Start each day by acknowledging the good in your life. Express your thanks for the simple things, the unexpected joys, and the challenges that have shaped you. The more you practice gratitude, the more naturally it will flow. And as your heart fills with appreciation, you'll find that your desires manifest with greater ease and speed. Now that you understand the principles of asking, let's explore some practical ways to incorporate it into your daily life. Set aside a few minutes each day to focus on your desires. Write them down, speak them aloud, or simply hold them in your heart. Visualize yourself already experiencing the fulfillment of your wishes. Feel the emotions that arise. As you go about your day, look for opportunities to express gratitude. Thank the cashier for their friendly service, appreciate the beauty of nature, or simply acknowledge the warmth of the sun on your skin. Make it a habit to notice and appreciate the little things. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want, even if it seems out of reach. Recall that the universe is abundant, and there's more than enough to go around. The key is to ask with clarity, emotion, and unwavering belief. Most importantly, be patient and trust the process. Manifestation isn't always instantaneous. Sometimes, the universe has a different timeline than we do. But when you stay true to your desires and maintain a positive outlook, you'll eventually see your dreams come to life. As you begin to manifest your desires, something remarkable happens: the ripple effect. The positive energy you create doesn't just stay confined to your own life, it radiates outward, touching the lives of those around you. When you step into your own power and pursue your dreams, you inspire others to do the same. Your courage becomes contagious. Your joy becomes infectious. The people you interact with sense your newfound confidence and are drawn to your light. They see what's possible for them and begin to question their own limitations. Your success becomes a beacon of hope, illuminating the path for others to follow. You become a living example of what's possible when you dare to ask for what you want. Your story becomes a testament to the power of the human spirit, a reminder that we're all capable of creating extraordinary lives. The ripple effect doesn't stop there. As you manifest abundance in your own life, you have more to share with others. Your generosity can extend beyond material possessions to include your time, your knowledge, your compassion. By uplifting others, you create a chain reaction of positivity that reverberates throughout the world. In this way, asking for what you want isn't just about personal gain. It's about contributing to a greater good. It's about creating a world where everyone feels empowered to pursue their dreams, where abundance flows freely, and where we all support each other's growth and well-being. By accepting the power of asking, you become a catalyst for positive change, a ripple of hope in a vast ocean of possibilities. The power to shape your life, to manifest your dreams, is already within you. It's not a privilege reserved for a select few, but a birthright that belongs to every single one of us. All you have to do is ask. So, take this knowledge, experiment with it, and witness the incredible transformation it can bring to your life. Dare to dream big, ask boldly, and watch as the universe responds. Remind yourself that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start asking for the life you truly deserve. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and subscribe so that you won't miss out on the latest contents. Thank you for watching,